Before we get to the mirror consultation, let's get to know the person behind it. Because real results start with real understanding.
I'm Sipogazi Zondi from Durban, KZN. Born, studied there, graduated, and then I came to Gauteng to work. Working with umsebenzi wabantu abadala.
What do you mean?
I heal ngenzisa ama-cleansings, amagobongo, mirror consultations, online consultations, candles consultations. Yes, so far that's it. So I was just acknowledging my ancestors that I'm now here. Ngizowenza umsebenzi wenu eningilethele wona. Nanka ama-client enu sizobahlambulula makubonakale okuhle. Vezana amandla enu. And I also did, I think, include God. Ukuthi nawe uNkulunkulu enza lapho uvule bonakala kube kuhle.
Madi ane a Morena Jesu. Ko wona ano a re hlatswang senyama. Ke tlo etsa example ne ke le ngaka ne ke hlatswa batho dinyama. Senyama ha o se hlatswa ha ona hore madi ha tlo ba teng. Ba sebedisa madi. Ka mantswe a mang immediately hona jwale ha o qala o go hlatswa senyama o sebedisa madi. O bolela hore ana a Morena Jesu ona ha etse nix. Ke tsela e bolelang ka yona gona nkampa ka hlapa ka madi ana a diphoofolo. Rather than ke hlape ka ana a Morena Jesu. Ha re sana senyama ntate wa. Senyama sa rona se nkuwe ke Morena Jesu.
Abane, they message me saying, "Ngiyalunyela umzimba is itchy." Or abane bathi angisaphuphi, I'm not dreaming anymore. Abane, they have been applying for jobs, but nothing. Or the dreams that they are having. Ukuthi mhlawumbe abanye are dreaming of poo, human. You know, they're dreaming of poo. They're dreaming of themselves eating. So all of those weird dreams signify a cleansing. Abanye are dreaming of water. That signifies a cleansing. Uguti, you know what? Your ancestors are crying for help. Uguti, hambo uyozi hlambulul ususe amathunzi amnyama. Njengoba izinto zakhe ziqaqekile uthi uya-applya, awutholi lutho, uyalunyela, awuhambe uyogeza, uyosusa lezi zinto.
Rona ntho engwe le engwe ha o utlwa hore e ka rona le bad luck kapo eng hlapa ka o bua ka molomo wa hao ka madi a Morena Jesu. Ha o sebedise metsi, ha o sebedise dioli, ha o sebedise nix. Libitso fela la Morena Jesu.
So initially inkukhu emhlophe eyokuvula iyinhlanhla attracting okuhle. So in my cleansing ngisuke ngifuna izinto ezinhle ukuthi zenzeke.
Yene ba ilahlelang ka mane ba fepa monga metsi yao. Ya jowa ka mane ka metsi. E jowa ke noa ya mo metsing mo. Le kgomo wa ilahlela. Le kgomo wa tsamaya le yona o eme ha o fihla mo no bone mohudi o tla hore kgomo ikene nyamele ka metsi. Ke o fepuwa noa mo.
Us doing iladi emanzini, there were people living lapho. Yase yashintsha indawo yashintsha yaba amanzi. Because of rains, you know, and then sekunemvula. So because of that, amathambabo is now underneath emanzini. They change and become iy'thunywa zasemanzini.
Baphahla. Ke mang monga metsi? O ipotsa gona mo gona monga metsi ke mang?
So iladi lasemanzini siyaba acknowledge labo bantu ukuthi asinikhohliwe, yeba sinazi, but asinikhohliwe, silana sikhona, siyanivulela, siyanikhanisela, siyanikhulula, cela ukuthi nani ni return the favor back.
Akuke sifike motsong o motho o sa kopa kapo o sa kokota.
Jwale o lo batlang ha monga motho ko tshore o lo introduce motho muthunyane wa metsi.
So the purpose of ukuya emfuleni usukuyo geza nje yonke into that you used to do in your past everything. You want to be a born again. Kahle kahle ufuna uqala phansi yonke into. Usuke uyosusa amathunzi emnyama emfuleni. Also to attract. Obviously, uma uyosusa amathunzi amnyama will attract izinto ezinhle. So this is Empara Day and ubhuti uyena wayengisiza ngesimo sami seyiphoki inyoka ezimnyama izulu. Ngifika la every week why angazi ukuthi izinto ezingake bese ngiyithengile la ekhaya. Ngithi ngithenga lokho kusebenza uvaleke, ngithenge lokho kusebenza kuvaleke. So nanga ubhuti wayengilekelela shame kuhambo lwami ulazi lonke udaba lwami. Namanje kusakhona la ukuthi kuvaleka khona kodwa at least akusafani njengesekuqaleni ukuthi kuyavuleka kancane. So siphuma lana eFire Day kade ngizolanda isipili. Another name for isipili is ingqotho. Yeah. Vele ngibhizi nalezo zinto nama client afuna ukubona izinto ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni yabo. Remember kwisipili ubona your past, your present and your future. So yeah, this is another plug where you can get isipili. But it's for the brave. Yeah.
Another day, and here we are finding ourselves in the Val, and in a very small town, informal settlement called Biketlong. And we're here to meet Umama Matapelo. She's a pastor. Her story is quite interesting. She has journeyed life, been a consultant to Sangomas, to being a Sangoma herself, and now a pastor. And we're going to come in, sit down, and have a chat with her. Take what you take, learn what you need to learn.
Okay, mme Matapelo ke mme tlhaonya ka tlhaetse Free State ka holela Elbron. Ka ya qoqwa ka bo di 80s ka 2017 ka tla mona Val ke mo ke la ka thwasa ka fehlellwa teng ka ba ka tswa lefehlong. And then ne ke le motho ana sebetsa ka ditaola, ke sebetsa ka speedy, ke sebetsa ka metsi. So case nyaka nna ne ke ile mo ke ile hore mme wa ka o la hlokala ka tseleng ke sa nkwesisi ka yona. And then ke ne ke na le crutch ka nako e ho wa bona le motho ana tlile crutching a tla tlo njwetsa gore mme wa hae o nantsa phila. Ona sa tsebo o la long gore mme wa phila a ba ya speedy so a ba thola gore mme wa phila. Sen be ke ba le interest le nna ha ibo le nna ke batla ho ya because mme wa ka la hlokala ka tsele ke sa understanding. Be re ya mono mmereng ke be ke kena mmereng he. But nna dintho tse ne di hla because ne ke sa tsebo gore ke tlamehile ke lebelle ne ke na no ho tlo hla mme wa ka njwetsa gore a ngwana ka ke tshwele ka tsele itseng. Ho no hla ntho tse ne ke sa di understand hantlane ba mpotsa ne ke ba bontsetsa gore ke bona ntse o hla dintho tse so a ku utlwisisi o etsalang a ba rona speeding ha ibe le gore o jele because nna ne ke jele ke sa tsebe gore ke a tlameha ya ke sa je ne se sa hlaki a ba re ho nna o a kgona gore motho e mong a o kenele le re ke re mohlomong a litlile le lithu e le gore wena o jele motho a tlile le wena ha sa ja o a kgona gore a etse dithakatselo tsa hao. And then I can ho tlotla dintho tsa hao mara di bona ke yena a nna o jwetse gona o bona e la ba ntho e jwalo ya ba ke kenelwa ke motho. So motho a nkenetseng ke a hlalosa gore ke bona ntate mongolo a mo hlalosa o mpandlana jwang o kentse difa and then o re ke ena ngomelletse mo ntate molo ka ne le sangoma le legolo maplasi mene re dula teng le nkgono ka ne le mo profeta. So speedy mo yena khantsang jwetsa gore ke bona nte a mo hlalosa ntate molwana o re kena go melletse mona tlamele be khalo thwasitse ntso hana pitso e le gore nneteng ha nentse ke gola ho nona le mo mme wa kana consultant ba ntse ba mo jwetsa go ha bana ba go kaofela go na le ngwana solso and ha bona ntho tse bo ntho a bonang ke nnete o na le neo. So ya ba neng ke jwetsa mme no hai nna tse ba dintho tsa bo mafehlo di eng a sentho tsa so a njwetsa go if o sa thwasa o tlo loser bana. So ka mo hlalosetsa le tsela hore ke tlile jwang mona ke dula le motho ene re qeta ho etsa mosebetsi wa dipulo tsa majwe ntate na sena tjhelete. A re ho tla tswa wena hore bophelo ba bana kapa bophelo ba motho. So that's how Speedy nna se sebeditseng ka teng ho nna. So ha se ke tswile lefetlong ho araba potso ya bobedi ya hore nna ke la ka kenya motho Speedy. Ha se ke le lesango ma se ke le haka. Hona le mme a latlalako a tlo consult. Ona lahletswe ke TV, nna kenetswe ke ditsotsi tsa tshwatla tsa nka TV ya hae, nna nketswe ke dintho tse ngata. A batla Speedy. Ka mo kenya Speedy jwalo ka ha ke hlalositse hore na re etsa jwang. Ha kganya ile je Speedy ha se sebetso tlameha o be le fifi. Ra kwala everything o be black ka e be light ya kerese fela. So o la fihla ka mo etsetsa jwalo ka mo phahlela ka mo kenya Speedy ntse ke mo botsa dipotso ka nnete o la mo bona le motho le hore o kene jwang le hanka TV ya o mo bone hore na o inkile jwang. Jwalo ka ke tshwaro Speedy ha se ntho e tlo e hlahela mo ke nnete. Re na le familiar spirit ntate wa ka. Re na le ntho e thweng ke familiar spirit. Ha o hla hona le memoya e assignwang wa modimo lo ka Satan e katana le bophelo bao. Immediately o ya ngakeng. Memoya eo already yona se le pele mai e fana ka history ya hao. So ntho engwe le engwe o tlo e bonang ha ona mohlang tlo e sa tlo ba yona. E dula e le yona.
Ina le demona taba ina ese.
Ina le demon. Yes, bo boholo.
We are getting into the thing versus who and versus not, right? You remember when I said to you, there are technologies that were left to us by people who came before us. And that they were invaded by demons, but they are not demonic in nature.
Harabala bukeng ya Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 10 or 10 verse 18 ona le mo ke etsa verse. Bibele e re kore ntate modimo wa tseba hore ha o ya o lo consulta batho ba shweleng ba tlo bua. So e ya re forbida at all hore skebela yang la lo consulta batho ba shweleng because nnete le tlo e thola mara e tlo ba nnete e sa tsweng ka moya wa modimo.
We have the ability to call rain. We don't need a drum. We don't need hoop hash or anything. Within us, there's a particular person who has been chosen to call rain. So that person does not need to slaughter, does not need to do anything. That person is gifted to call rain. Then invasion, it is when certain spirits come as if they are the ones who are giving that person the ability to call on rain or to actually heal. My great-grandfather, my father to my grandfather, was a healer, but he did not consult spirits. So he was gifted. There are even children who are named after him today because he would heal people.
You have heard the warnings. You've met Mme Matapelo. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The mirror consultation begins. Sabona sisi.
Yebo.
Tanguthi yaphila.
Ngiyaphila njani?
How are you feeling today?
A bit nervous.
Ish. Bit skeptical, but Zawubona ngiyamphumela.
I'm a bit nervous, but I'm okay at the same time.
Why are we nervous? Why are you doing mirror consultation and what are you hoping to achieve?
So I'm doing a mirror consultation because ngumuntu ophuphayo. So sometimes mengiya ebantwini or emasontweni they will tell me ukuthi ngumuntu onesipho. So I just wanted to know ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha nami.
I just wanted something different. Like I've once went consulting like a normal one, you know, the bones and everything. So it seems to be different. So I'm like, maybe those are something a differ from what I've been hearing. Yeah.
Actually, a lot is currently happening like empilweni yami, not only my life but emndenini wami. Yabo, so since sabantu abamnyama we go and consult bakutshela ukuthi this is happening, that's happening. So I thought ukuthi manje this is a perfect opportunity ukuthi nami ngiyibonele. Yabo, ngokwami ukuthi kahle kahle since bathi kwenzakala kanje, is it really true or it's just fiction, or lo muntu lona kahle kahle whatever that they've been saying is actually true.
So you're hoping to get the answers, Galoko? Is there, do you understand what this whole process of mere consultation, which is and are you okay with it?
I don't understand, but I'm willing to go through the process there. I don't, but I'm willing to do it.
Kenshapa, I'm looking forward
Yeah.
to this experience. Yeah, because ezinye izinto we are black first,
Yeah.
ezinye izinto is spiritual. Yeah, so I'm privileged enough to get this opportunity ngokuthi manje ukwazi ukwenza this interview and consultation.
So, in Lewiyenzile, to prepare yourself for today.
Today, ngizilile, angidlanga, I didn't eat anything.
Are those the instructions that you received?
Yes.
So, awulambanga manje.
I am hungry, but
You stay on the course.
I was not prepared, but as soon as they said, now you go in there, and like I stopped everything, I'm like, okay. Yeah.
Izolo, before ngilala, I prayed about it. Ngaphahla. I asked for protection because manje I don't know what I'll be diving into. Yeah.
Ninjani? Siyaphila. So namhlanje njengoba nila ekhaya sobe senza isibuko.
No, I don't wanna lie. Shem, I was like, hey, bo, okay. Who you Kelly? Ngeke.
Mncane, number 1. Number 2, ukuweave akanabuhlalo, like akana-nix eshoyo ukuthi yisiya. It is just a girl on a Saturday with a dress and a weave.
Ngi-expect ingadlangadla ephethe obuhlalo nje like kuthi nje ayi la, but she was so calm and relaxed and like, oh, okay.
In the mirror, you hear, you see, you feel. You see your past, your present, and your future. So the reason why you see your future, or it's calling your future. The reason why you see your future is because usukukhonjiswa izinto uNkulunkulu azibhala ngempilo yakho ufika kulomhlaba. Then i-past ikhombisa isizathu sokuthi why ungafikeli kwi-future. Ubani yini evalile noma ubani ovalile. Yeah, just let people know what they have come here for, you know, because I don't want, at the end of the day, if I just make people do things and then they react in a certain way and they say, you didn't tell me. Why am I feeling like this? You didn't tell me. Or some people, they go an extra mile and report me emaphoyiseni, you know. So it's always best to always acknowledge everyone, what they are getting themselves into. It's either you in, it's either you out. And futhi, if you're out, that's okay. I'm not going to force you to stay. Kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu ebusweni ungamboni, but you will hear i-voice yakhe and you'll be able to recognize ukuthi ayibo ngiyamazi lo muntu okhulumayo usho lokhu. Kuyenzeka ukuthi ubone isandla salowo muntu kuphela. Uyamazi umuntu, you'll be able to recognize isandla somuntu.
Angisumuntu onyatsayo. I'm not judgmental. Mengibheka, I was like shocked. I'm like, uye lo. I'm like, okay, asibone. Yeah, but I gave it my all, believing ukuthi hayi. Angeke asuke la suka khona azoyenza into engekho.
Asitheni usisi bamthumelele imfene ukuthi bamboze ngemfena, hence why izinto zakhe azihambi kahle. Yena ngeke ayibone. In some cases it happens. Kodwa nina ningambonela, nimbone eyimfene. Once you've seen izinto ezimbi that have been happening, which is your past, those things ziyaqala ukuqaqeka in order to reach your future. Yeah. Imagine seeing ukuthi ubani obuthakathayo. It's dangerous. Omunye can't contain their anger. Engahambe yoxabana nomuntu, amshaye azafe. So it is dangerous. You need to go there prepared, knowing ukuthi you are fit for this. When you see things, you are going to keep quiet. You're not going to go around saying. Also, it's dangerous for me because masekubuza ukuthi uzazi kanjani lezi zinto. Kuyothiwa ngahamba kukhehla mako sigulagula, you know? So,
In this process, is it possible ukubona ukuthi uzoshona kanjani?
yes, it is. But remember, now that you have seen, it won't happen. It will go back to sender. They were anxious, but also eager. Yeah, that's what I sensed. One of them, the lady in the orange dress with the hats, bucket hats, she was scared. I could sense that from her. She was scared.
So ungenza kanjani ukuthi ungathuki, like right now ngithukile angandastand ne ngithukile ne. So let's say lokuthuka lokhu kwenza ukuthi ngingasakhona ukufocusa mase ngiphakathi kwesibuko, and then now ngiyavaleka umlomo angisakhona ukukhuluma because how to calm my nerves.
When I feel ukuthuka, or when clients tell me that they're nervous and abakaqali, that's my answer yokuthi kunezinto ozoyibona that you need to see. But as time goes on, ukuthuka kuzophela kuwena. But also with isibuko, indlela izokudaka ngayo lento, it feels as if uzoyigwinya umlomo, uzogwinya your tongue. Yes, akukhulumeki ngathi uyangingiza. Yonke into yakho nje emzimbeni iyasinda. Ngisho nesigqoko sizosinda.
So how long does it take ukuthi like ubuyele to your normal self?
It can take up to 3 days. And it's also dangerous because once you've drank it and you start feeling some type of way, you can't be on the road driving because it can lead you into a car accident. You can't go out to pubs and drink because you're going to start seeing things, you know, uzobona abantu abangekho, uzobona iy'poki, and you're going to react, you're going to freak out, cause a tantrum, kwama-pubs, usuphihliza amabhodlela, usulwa nabantu. Yeah.
Mina benginokuphupheza ngezinto. Am I able ukubuza ukuthi okay, ngithi maybe ngiphupha amabhayi, but sengiwakhohliwe amabhayi lawo, ngiyakhona ukubabuza ukuthi konje abantu abadala benithenga amabhayi sona.
I've tried that nami to ask about something, but there was no answer. But if usho njalo ukuthi ukuphupha amabhayi, if it's a need for them ukuthi ubone, bazokukhombisa amabhayi, nokuthi uzothwasela kephi kanjani and so forth. Nokuthi uzoshada nobani, ingane zizobe zingaki, everything for your future.
So okay, ngize ukhuluma ngokufila ne.
Yes.
So uthola ukuthi mina bebengithumela ngenyoka. So le nyoka leyo ngizoyi like feel.
Uzoyifila, and once you feel it, uzoyibona. And it's okay to scream because it's a normal reaction. I know. Angazi ke phela lapho, but no one of my clients has had that reaction. Also, indlela izokudaka ngayo ngeke ukwazi ukusukuma normally. Remember, nje yonke into yakhe, ngisho even your legs ngathi nje uzohamba kanje.
Mengimbuza lama question, I was actually testing knowledge yakhe ngayo lento le because I've heard about it and I've made some research. So bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi before azongenzisa lo muntu lo lento uyayazi na.
She was interested. And she wanted to make a final decision whether am I doing this or not. And also by her questions, I felt like she wants to see ngiyayazi yini mina lento engizobabenzisa yona because abanye bagangile ngabantu. Yes.
So kule process are we drinking something or eating something, or it's just
Yes, you're drinking something
That's the thing we're gonna drink.
that will activate it ayakho. Ubone what uNkulunkulu has hidden for us.
So is it possible ukuthi after like this process ne, if umuntu obonayo bovaliwe?
It will unlock. It's possible ukubona ogogo bakho abashona. And if you see your late relatives, speak to them, bafike kuwena bezobingelela. But obviously bona in some cases ngeke baphendule. Sometimes bazokhuluma, sometimes bazophendula through isibuko. Mhlawumbe uthi hawu gogo unjani, u-right la ukhona, akukhombisa ukuthi uhleli kanjani la ekhona. Speak to them. Anything, ucele ney'nhlanhla, communicate with them.
Is it possible ukuthi umuntu angaboni next?
Yes, it is possible. Either because ubedlile throughout the day or uvalwe to an extent level. Ukuthi nje noma ikepla yakhona uyothola usizi ngeke abone lutho. Nidlile? Khona odlile? A fruit kuphela. Niphuzile nje amanzi, okay.
So ukuthi wami ngabe awudli, you aligning with the universe. Ngithi uba clean, ukwazi ukconnect nama different spirits, uba uwe. Kuba yimi, myself and I ziba connected. So the moment you consume something, vele ukudla lokho sikudlayo akho right. Kuvala into eziningi emzimbeni wethu.
Lo ngadlanga uzoshesha abona. Oh, because isibaningi. Nizosibonela sonke, i-past, present, ne-future.
Ngishilo misho ngathi ngizobona.
Yes. So uzombonela, umbonele. And it's good because laba benza ispook abane ababone, right? But lo eceleni kwakho uzokwazi mayikhuluma uzothi hayibo ngibona ingane kanjena wena uzothi hayibo ingane yami le yini kwenze njani, so uyakulekelela. Remember, because you're not seeing is because uvaliwe, so omunye uzoba namandla wokuthi akubonele, base iyaqhaqheka leyo nto. If upartner wakhe yakuchithela uzombona uculeke. If ekudlisa uzombona.
Besisihlaze, amen. What if bathi ex yami future husband, I'm like ubonakala ku future, am I able to tell them ukuthi lalilana, I don't want this guy anymore?
Yes, that's a good question. When you see your future, guarantee it will happen. Ungazama to fight back, uzogcina usubuyelile naye.
So angikwazi ukubatshela ukuthi hayi guys, ngiyabona ukuthi vela lo muntu abese.
Nami nganginjalo when I saw someone ngathi hayibo ngihlangana mina nalo. Wafika futhi empilweni yami ngafight ngilokhu ngithi ayi ngayithola nami senginaye. It happens, yeah. If someone is at home listening or watching and they say, hayibo usechazile ukuthi you just need to chop, uyipheke, uyiphuze, it's dangerous because what if ingakusebenzeli ngendlela that isebenzela mina and my clients? Yabo, so you need to find a background yakhona where you're buying it from, ukuthi isetshenziswa kanjani or iphekwa kanjani. And I know nabo abathengisi bazosho ukuthi umuntu nomuntu izomsebenzela ngendlela yakhe.
For me, maybe tasteless, and something tasteless. Being a sweet, being a sour, it was just tasteless. Yeah.
I think lento le besiphuza beyenza ukuthi sibe like me, myself and I to be linked. I don't know if I'm making sense. To be one. They had the soul, body and mind to be one.
Abadala sebeyaqala ngesibuko fulani konke babone. I had 3 clients, 2 female, 1 male, and the male you could see uthukile, but I could pick up already ukuthi uzoshesha bone, and uyena futhi ozobona okuningi more than laba bani. Lo sisi ubegqoka i-bucket hats, ubethukile nje loyo, umbonile shame, ubethukile, and I felt as if uzobe emotional. Uzobe umuntu ongathi uzofuna ukukhala. Lo usisi with the long orange dress, I did feel that kuzothatha kude ukuthi abone. I don't know why I felt like that, but it's exactly what happened.
Lapho ke bese ngithukile because already basitshela ukuthi if uzobona inyoka uzoyibona, yabo. But yeah, bese kuthusa kakhulu ke mase cisha ama light ukuthi it's a real kenzeka and there's no turning back. We had to continue.
Ngiyaqala ukuthuka.
Why?
Uphuze into number 1 uyayiza iyatrekela uba dizinyana yabo. Ngiyangaba anxious nyani ukuthi hey. Sekenzakalani because I was feeling ukuthi okay khona manje angisiyimi. Angisiyimi bese ngiba dizinyana.
If kunzima ukubona directly esibukweni, zama to look above the mirror, but at the mirror. Angazi ngizoyichaza kanjani. Ubuke phezu kwesibuko kodwa esibukweni uzokwazi nalapho ukubona. If kuwena sesikunzima ukuthi ungabona esibukweni, vala amehlo ubheke kuzovela nangalapho. Okay, so with the mirror, once you've drank it, it takes some time for it to connect with you. So once you feel ukuthi I'm dizzy, I'm drunk, I'm tipsy, that's when you know ukuthi isiyangena-ke manje egazini, isiyafight or whatever it's fighting. Usuyeza ukuthi I'm not myself now. I don't feel like this on a regular. Once you start feeling like that, usukuwazi ukuthi okay, khona into eqalayo. Once you feel that certain way, that's when you need to speak to your ancestors. Like ubatshela ukuthi bantu abadala ngiyanizwa-ke manje nikhona senifikile, vulani isibuko sengifikile nami, ngivuleleni konke ukuze ngibone yonke into ekumele ukuthi ngiyibone. Bese khona into enizwayo. Uboneni? Ubonani?
Ubona isibuko siyavuleka.
Yes, bantu
Masivuleka lesibuko khona kumhlophe ngapha
emva kwaba.
esipilini.
So with the mirror, if you're looking in the mirror, you will see, you know, cartoons when there's a snake and you look into a snake's eye and it starts hypnotizing you and there's those squiggly black and white lines. Kuzovela kanjalo. Or the olden days TV. Yes, it's either you'll also see that. Once you start seeing that, but remember, you need to speak. The more you speak, the more ivuleka ubona izinto. Kumhlophe kanjani in a good way noma ngokubi?
Vela kancane kumhlophe bokubona. Lusuku umnyama kusesekhona but umzimba wami wathi khona kuyahlangana.
Okay. Bantu abadala qhubekani nivule ukuze ngibone. Bakhanye konke.
Mvume ize ngibone. Cela sonke isibuko sami sibheke. Bakhanye kusayide lodwa kodwa malikhanye konke. Uzokwazi ukufunda kahle konke okwenzakalayo.
Nalezi ibhobo masibuyele kulo muntu oyithumeleli mayishaye yena.
Ibhobo lezi azibuyele kumnikazi wazo zishaye. Pili sami sithathe ma 15 minutes or seconds. Ukuthi besi black yabona. So sagcina masiba clear, like I saw some like a light nyana so in espilini. Then from there I saw like something ivuleka in the mirror. Then I started ukubona ke lapho. Yeah.
Yini yenzani?
Ufuna ukudlula.
Ukudlula kephi?
Around umzimba.
Itshele
Ayihambi ibuyele la eyakhona iphume emzimbeni yami. I didn't see. At first I felt something ingihamba. Yabona? That's when I being scream. Bengingaboni next in the mirror, but ngizwe nje into sengihamba.
Buhanjwa yini?
Something like a snake, so I don't know, it's feeling a snake, but I felt it the way behamba khona kunento engihamba because I even threw ispil ngaphinde ngastop foot because ngifuna ukufocus and yeah.
Also, the reactions of the people that they were experiencing, some were shouting, begoma, bethukile, screaming, crying. It's normal because izinto ezibonayo ziyathusa. Isilwane esinjani?
Kuba ngathi nje siphuma la ngasemakhaleni. Sivela nje la ngasemakhaleni nasebusweni. Kodwa sisivezi kahle. Uthi isilwane esinye.
Isho, mayibuyele.
Ngicela ngibuyele lapho ngivela khona ninamandla ngaphezu komzimba wakho.
Ungayiceli, itshele.
Ngithi buyela la uvela khona unamandla ngigolede lutho. Angeke kwenzeke lutho ngaphezu kwami, anginawo umzimba wey'lwane, anginawo umzimba ozohlala iy'lwane. Buyela la ngivela khona, ngazi ukuthi ninibanisana.
Abantu abadala ubani uthumele lesi silwane ukuthi sihlale ngaphakathi kumina?
Thumele lesi silwane ukuthi sihlale ngaphakathi emzimbeni wami.
So once you start seeing that, you need to focus in the middle of whatever it is that you're seeing. Khona izospreadeki ivuleke in order for you to see in the inside. If kunzima ukubona directly esibukweni, zama to look above the mirror, but at the mirror. Angazi ngizoyichaza kanjani. Ubuke phezu kwesibuko kodwa esibukweni uzokwazi nalapho ukubona. If kuwena sesikunzima ukuthi ungabona esibukweni, vala amehlo ubheke kuzovela nangalapho.
Like I was starting to be bored. I'm like, hey, these people are saying things. Ngibheke esipilini ngizibona mina. Okay. Ngidizi but ngiziboni kahle but ngiyazibona esipilini. Bengidizi nyani like ngathi udakiwe. Like literally is like
Siwena ubonani?
Ngibona
Uba nosizi. Gogo. Gogo ukhalelani la ukhona umbuzo? Yeah, it's ngathi ubukela story. Kuyashesha, but in the mirror. Kuyashesha, it's not slow. Kuyashesha. Ubona lokhu, and it's confusing, but because you know your life, you know when you see something, you know what, oh, this happened, so it's the past. Oh, this hasn't happened, it's the future.
Beba like iba ne-confusion nyana ngesipili ukuthi aziveli so ukwazi ukuthi one step at a time ziyadlula ezinye nje azibi clear at all. Yeah.
Yini uboneni?
Such very kodwa ngeke ngisho umuntu half ihina and other half normal like umuntu.
In the beginning, he looked confused, Ubodi. He looked confused, maybe because the mirror was still bisafifiela. He was seeing he was seeing shadows passing by. He was trying to make sense as to who is this person, this man in Imbona, but I can't see him properly. Uboneni?
Khona ubuso lobu njengoba ngibhizi ngikhuluma lokubona lokho ukuthi yala njengomkhulumi.
Try focus in the middle. Ulokhu khuluma fulani isibuko abantu abadala. Masifuleke isibuko sonke. Bevaliwe. Yes. It took time for her to even see, even with her eyes closed. Yes, it took time for her. She only started properly seeing batshela ukuthi take off. Yes, that's when she started properly seeing.
into engibonayo nje ngibona ngathi ngibhala ama-specs.
Abantu badala ngiyabhudula so shona.
Khuluma naye.
And then I saw abantu, like my late brother who passed away last year, ngambona, yabo. So yena uvele clear, but azange ngithole message ukuthi why ngimbona. Because the lady said mbuzo ukuthi why ngimbona, but akazange ngibona ukuthi why ngimbona. Yeah.
Ngiyambona umuntu kodwa ngimboni kahle. Ngicela abantu abadala ngibone isikhanya.
Umuntu wesilisa, umuntu wesifazane. Uza ngokubi.
Ngathi ihohe busweni isipho. Ngicela ngibesele ingozi yomuntu ufuna ngikepha. I think ezinye izinto azihambelani nabanye abantu.
What do you mean?
Kunezinye izinto abanye abantu ekungamelanga bezenze. Maybe nami I was not supposed to do lento leyo. Mhlawumbe ihambelani nabantu bakithi bami or whatsoever. Yeah.
With that said, do you regret doing it?
No. Because ekugcineni ngiyangabona ngithi yilo umuntu obhalisa intizana. Ukuthi ngiyabona. Ngiyacela abantu abadala ngisama ukubona ngasebenza nabanye.
Ngibonani manje? Nazo na focused.
Umoya. Akazi umoya bani.
Mhlawumbe lokho kwempela. Yabo, isikipha sakho. Usanazo. Waphisana ngazo. Noma saduka nje. Bantu abadala ubani uthathe lesi sikipha sami wasenzani futhi?
Abantu abadala ibani uthathele isikipha sami wasenzani futhi ngicela ngibuyiseni. Konke nje ngicela ngibuyiseni. I don't even know ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaso. Enye yento bengifuna i-clarity ngayo, but azange ke kusavela ukuthi who took it or what happened to it. Because singeze ngarasa like, yeah, isikipha sami. Nasi, yabo, baby bengisibiza ngakhona bengikutha sami lesikipha and then siphi angazi.
Yeah, I did ask her, Guti, did you lose it? And she said, yeah, it just went missing. She even forgot about it. Now she's reminded of it because of the mirror. She was getting shown. It's plain and simple that khona wasithatha wa. Nice.
Bengidizinyana like ngathi udakiwe. Like literally is like you're someone who's not used to consuming alcohol and then uyaphuza.
Currently, lawa uhlala khona. Wenzani?
Yeah. But nje mebaqeda yami yathi uxhuma. I'm like, oh okay, final.
What did you see?
Yo.
Unjani emoyeni, u-angry, ujabulile. He's sad. He's coming back. The reason why he left was because of whatever that was happening that was done. But njengoba umbonile uGayi uzobuya. Uzobuya.
Mengimbuza usisi ungitshela ukuthi usazobuya. Because bekethulile nje, it was just his sad face.
The reason why he left was because of whatever that was happening that was done. Ukuthi bahlukane. Now that she is seeing him, Leonto, remember, once you start looking in the mirror, things start happening right there and then. So njengoba ubelokhu evela ubhodi bebemkhombisa ukuthi usazoba khona empilweni yakhe. She kept seeing him continuously, meaning usazoba khona empilweni yakhe isikhathi eside. Yini? Ubona yini babenzani? Oh, ubona uma wakho kuzanayo. Oh, okay. Akuyena wanihlukanisa.
Ngikubona ma. Honestly speaking, I was not feeling emotional. I was crying really. So I think it was something that was happening more spiritual more than like I was just the temple that is showing it physical. But it was happening spiritual because I was not emotional. Mina. Like I was fine. Yes, I was crying, but I was not feeling the emotions. So I think I was just the temple that was showing my emotions well into labantu being babon. Because I started crying the ex-mamazala when I saw my
Why?
dad. I don't know. I think that's the question. I think bona mhlambe bayakhala or kune unfinished business. I don't know.
So you think they're carrying through you with that experience?
Yes. I think kunento abayenzile benza ukuthi bakhale. I don't know. Mhlambe laba khona abajabulanga. I don't know.
Ngicela umdescribe lo muntu. Because akekho mpofu like caramel, like ngathi ugcwele ngomzimba. Mncane. Akanawo umkhaba. Akuyena lo. Tikhombisa. Qhubeka uvala amehlo. Tikhombisa. Akuyena lo. Ubenza. Ubenzani?
Umile nje nathini ubheke.
Ukephi nendawo entabeni?
Ngathi sintabeni.
I could literally see before them what they were seeing, or if they're seeing something, I'll be like, is this what you're seeing? And they're saying yes. I did feel a connection though with them. Butubonani ngasuthukile.
No, yeah. The hearings in Bambo is from what only one I saw ukuthi isibhekile isikandla lesi.
Semfene. Elokhu eshilo ukuthi ilokhila. Iyangibuka ilokhithi. Ilokhithi. I wonder when someone shakes your head at you, what are they saying? Like, I'm disappointed in you, or Ozbugi. I don't know. I don't know what Timfene was saying to him. He knows because he was in the mirror. So he knows what he was feeling when he saw it. Mayibuyele. She was saying my past, what I was going through. Hence why I told her, was, hey, ayihambe mayibuyele ihlalele ingaphindi ibuye. Yes, she was saying my past. Ubona umkhulu. Udak. grey njeb. Ithe kanje. Bold. Neyinwele la. Grey. Ugqoke shirt. Umkhulu wami. Uthini?
Uyavela. Kabuyele emuva, buyele emuva.
I always see him in the mirror, but he's just standing looking at me, and then I'll end up just speaking to him. And I even did say yesterday, Uguti, okay, it's now coming to my understanding, Uguti, shuti mina bangivalo Uguti, ngingamboni, because I also don't dream of him. I've only dreamt of him once, and when I told everyone, okay, not everyone, but when I told certain people that I dreamt of him, angipindanga till today. So I feel like bang valela yena. I don't know why. I'm still going to find out. I think it's because mina umphathwa lesi sibuko, not wonke, just the one that I was doing for them, izolo. Yeah, so because I'm also there, izo connect bangibonele nami. Bagqokeni. Emnyama. Usubonela ubhuti manje. Angazi ukuthi i-connecta kanjani with everyone else ukuthi bagcine bebonelane in one room. I don't know.
Angazi ukuthi imoto abantu akhona imisiphilekwana ngiphukile. Sihlathile akazathi ukuthi isingene.
Imoto enjani? Ayiveli igama yemoto. Sihlathini accidents. Windscreen iklikhini. Imhlophe imoto. Ubhuti wakho. Njengoba ebona le mfene. Asho njalo. Bani? Here. Nabo bebegcina sebebona like uGuy ubona i-inch nosisi with the bucket hats wayeseyibona naye i-inch. Imoto naye wayibona imoto bebegcina sebebonelana. And it also happens ukuthi umbonele umuntu because kuyenzeka ukuthi oyedwa uvaliwe ukuthi noma ikephi la yakhona ethi uyofuna usizo engalitholi usizo, but omunye abe strong ukuthi ambonele. Namanje babuze. Injani ukhala? Okay. Yenzani?
It's like he's entirely.
Ihleli yakubuka.
Ihleli yakubuka. Vele wabaphile nangebuka nami.
In
Lelo xaba kule part. This one is a lion.
My lights blue. Injani ukhala? Lights brown. I think that's my puppy, baby. Yini ubenzani?
That's your puppy.
Yes. Her name is Baby. I think I was getting shown that she misses me and Samnagile. And I was living with her in Rudderports because I had a house with a yard. So ngisazobuyela again sisazohlangana sino-baby maybe one day ngizothola indawo ezoba negxeke or an apartment that allows pets and she'll come back to me. Mm-hmm.
Mhlophe la.
Mm.
Ngibonile.
Mm-hmm.
Ngibona ngibonisa ngibona nekilezi mina.
Mm-hmm. Ligxeke kanjani?
Lasemakhaya.
Mm-hmm.
Ngithi emakhaya.
Mm-hmm. Babuze ukuthi umcimbi wani.
Abadala ngivezele ukuthi umcimbi wani. Le nkomo le niveza ukuthi isimele siyenzeni kabani.
Ubhuti bebonani?
It's cold.
Yo. Wena sisi ubonani la eqoleni?
Ngicela ngabona inyanga yami.
Mm.
Ngibona lokho kwama ajika ngesilwane.
Usaphila konje? Yo.
I saw my grandmother turning into something njengayazi isilwane. Ngabona ingwe. Indwangu yengwe. So that one I saw like maybe 3 times.
So manje ngibona ikhekhe ikhulu
Yeah.
khulu nomuntu wakhona uyalidonsa libele ikhulu ngakhona.
Uh-huh.
So umbala wakhona is white and red. So ngikholwa ukuthi le birthday lomshado la
Babuze ukuthi lelo khekhe elani? Ubhuti ubonani?
Ubona umuzi omkhulu.
Mm.
Ubona umuzi omkhulu i-double story.
Mhm.
Mawubuka wona ujabulile phakathi.
Kujatshule.
Ngathi ngathi khona celebration something.
Mhm. Ngicela describe laba abantu babonile. Kulo muzi. Double story.
Labantu laba sort of like khona i-party. So bayadansa. Like abanye abantu baloko babhizi bayangena. Mina ngime ngaphandle ngibuke lo muzi phela nami ngijabulile.
Inayo ibalcony. Ibalcony ibheke ngalapha.
Mina ngime ngapha. So ngibona from nje so ibalcony.
Okay. Owazi ukuba describe laba bantu ababonayo?
Into engiyibonile abantu bomndeni. Kodwa ukuthi lo ubani nalo isuke yaba
Owazi ukubona kahle.
isuke ngajabula kakhulu kunokuthula.
I feel like a celebration of something. Yeah, a celebration because he also saw a house, double story, kuchachulwe, and he was smiling. So I feel like maybe, I don't know, maybe he's going to buy a house and he's going to do a housewarming. I don't know, but it's a good thing. Yeah.
Light, bright. Nice feeling.
Ubabuza ukuthi eyani. Sisubonani. Bengisazosho ukuthi isibuko sakube ngisibuko simunyama.
Sivalekile nje manje.
Yo. Ngathi kubekwe iphepha elimnyama. Noma mhlambe bathi sekwanele. Subonile. Abekade befuna ukukhombisa kona. For today. Nami.
Mina solo ngibona amatshe namanzi nokutshani. Nendlebe zami
Khala amanzi.
kunesound ethi
Enza kanjani?
lapha.
Bona abantu some sort of a stadium.
Yeah.
So on the left, on the right, nabantu bagcwele la abahlezi phansi bagcoke impahla ezimnyama bese kuba khona igroup yabantu bama like esiphakathini between
Lava man.
laba bagcoke impahla ezimhlophe.
Oh.
Like baningi baningi. See. Kuvela imino nje 1 2 3 4 ivela mangibuza ngalo sisi because mina yakhona ivela it's like kuba isithombe iframe yesithombe so like lo muntu lo sesithombeni but le mino le iyabheka ku-frame yesithombe abele njalo.
Babuza ukuthi ubani lo mama nokuthi bamveze.
Ubani lo mama lo? Sacela ukuthi ningiveze lana.
Who were also there who didn't even see those things, but because they see these things, but couldn't do it because one is looking at this right now and say, this is demonic. This is demonic. What do you say to someone like that?
How is it demonic though? I would ask them that question. How? Why do you say it's demonic? Mhlampe their response would be, why are you looking for the unknown? Okay, yeah, you shouldn't judge God or ask, you know. But it's my aim is to heal. Angithandi ukubona umuntu ekhale ehlupheka. So bheka esibukweni once you see izinto ezimbi zenzeka empilweni yakho kuyaqaqeka lokho and it enables you to enter your future le ebivalekile ukuthi ungafikeli kuleyo future. Because why they're not saying instead ukuthi abathakathi izinto abazenzayo is demonic? Why am I getting slapped in the face for helping someone to reach what God has actually written for them in their book of life? Ukuthi this is how this person is going to be living like. So ngiyamlekelela, I feel like ngiyamlekelela uNkulunkulu. I'm God's angel ukuthi awulekelele laba bantu nampa bayamthakatha kanjena kanjena awumbonisi. Once you see kuyaqaqeka, goes back to sender, aqhubeke ngempilo yakhe.
Unezandla ey'bolile. Bangivezela ubuso, bangivezela isandla. Like isandla sakhe ngazi ukuthi
Ngathi besishile. Si-dark leso sandla. Ngathi sigcwele nyana nje. Kwenzani ngaleso sandla? Obabuza. Sisubonani?
Shuthi lo mama lo angazi uphetheni esandleni. So uvela estradini sethu sengamhlala khona. Kodwa ngimbone avela asamwe eduze. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi kodwa mase singavela yena singahamba. Hayi ngibizwa ukuzwa. Nje la
Back.
makadlula khona into ekhonzayo. Ekhonzile jati. Akekho i-one lo mama la. Athi nabangani abayi-3.
Bonke abantu besifazane. Ubona umuntu onjani? Unjani ebusweni?
Ungashotheyo. Angathi umuntu onomzimba. Ngikahle.
Bona umuntu unamehla amaningi.
Vela kunkele kuthuka. Nje hambe emzimbeni angithi ayiphume. Ayibuyele kumnikazi wayo. Zonke la mahlabi nawo. Waphumelela umnikazi wayo. Ubona umuntu onamehla amaningi?
Nathi 6 yonke.
Isilwane phela leso.
Siphinde sibuyele emuva la sibuya khona. Sihlale ngazi. Wonke ijwayele impahla.
Indaba zisiza eminyakeni namahlanu. Nakumathi ngiyachuki nginetrend. Usisi wena ubonani?
Can you understand into engibonakala? Ngibona nomuntu. Ngibona into eziningi ngesikhathi esiwani angazi-understand. But events.
Akudestera ngokunyama. Isinqumo sami sihlale isikhawu sikhanyile. Sibona konke ukubona. Kusesemnyama futhi. Lesisuse lemnyama lokho kubuya kimi. Abahamba ngisafuna
into engenziwa.
yini ubonani?
Hayi ngibona into eziningi, ngibona nobhuti wami ungasekho. So first thing I saw, if I'm not mistaken, I think ngibona amanzi. Yeah, first thing first thing ngibona umuntu okaShembe. Umuntu okaShembe angazothi kusehlane but kunamatshe nje lapho kunotshani. Ngibona umuntu okaShembe.
And bisho uthini leyo nto?
I don't know, but usisi wathi umuntu wakhe. Umuntu azana naye.
What else did you see?
Ngabona inyoka. Inyoka ebrown. Ngabona amabhayi.
How did you feel ngibona inyoka? Are you afraid of snakes?
I'm used to seeing snakes emaphupheni, so it was nothing ethusayo.
So how did you feel then when you
Mengibona.
yeah.
Bengifuna ukubona ukuthi yenzani. Bengifuna ukubona ukuthi yenzani, but I was not scared. I was just curious ukuthi how inyoka zikhiphani.
What else did you see?
Ngibona amanzi. Ngibone
Ukhuluma nawe.
asizikhulumela nje.
Yeah.
Ayingibona eziningi la.
Try to mention all the things that you're seeing. Noma kungashesha kangakanani.
Like
Mhm. Mhm.
Awubonise umbusi omusha.
Mhm.
So like nakhona sana yimfethu. Jajulile.
Abantu babonile wakwazi ukuba describe usho ukuthi ubukeka kanjani.
Umshana. Akwazi nomfowabo. Bahiphi. Bebajabulile. Ngibona usisi la ngilandelayo. Beyangena endlini ke.
Mhlawumbe kuhambisana naleli cake okade ngibona. White and red. Mhlawumbe. Ubonani?
What's it some open food?
And
Amaji. Ngibona ibhayi eliyi-white and maroon. Lawa scotch. Umuntu okudala lo mama. Ngathi okay, angi-understand le nto le. Ugqoke iy'mpahla zamama. Yona le bhayi le.
Onjani uma umbuka lo mama?
Ngidlulile angisaboni.
Kanjani? Kanjani? So ubona kanjani ukuthi isibuko sesiphelile ukuthi asisaqhubeki asibi mnyama, siba like a normal mirror, uyazibona but nothing is showing anymore, sesithule now uyazizwa ukuthi sesiphelile. So asibi mnyama. If it's black, if it changes to black, abakaqedi basakukhombisa ukuthi la uzofikela khona kusazoba mnyama, ubeka ukhuluma. But once it turns into a normal mirror nje, uzibonayo sesibukweni and akusaveli lutho, that's when you know ukuthi sesiphelile.
The guy next to you, bekhuluma ngabantu abasifazane about 3, and for some reason now bababona.
Yeah. Nekhaya lakhe la buya khona le emakhaya. Yeah. So le angiunderstand because akazange ngitshela ukuthi uvumile nje ukuthi kithi lapho, and then those 3 ladies ngiyabazi uyobazi. Yabona? Yeah.
So because ubukwazi ukubonela abanye abantu, would you say you are a seer now?
Like it was just that thing esiphuzile which besiza ukuthi sibe relaxed and then kube easy uku-accessa ama-visions nama-feelings nani but not ukuthi ngiyabona angiboni on that eye.
Did you get all the answers? Did you get all your answers in regards to the izinto obuzibona when you communicate noSiphokazi? Did you get clarity of it?
In some of the things I did. Yeah.
I can't even explain it, but there were instances where whatever you see, uSiphokazi uyayibona. What do you think was happening there? Because akayiphuzanga le nto niyiphuzile.
Akayiphuzanga.
Yeah.
So I think namadlozi wethu nawakhe, they were allowing ukuthi yena azibone lezo zinto lezo because of, I don't think ukuthi if amadlozi ambe wangafuni beyangeka aconnecte nokuconnecta nathi ngaleyo ndlela leyo. That's why kuthathe nesikhathi ukuthi ezinye yalokho azibone yabona, then mase kuya kwakhane naye akhona ukubona ezinye izinto yabo because akaphuzanga next. Yeah.
So after your whole experience, would you recommend it to anyone?
Yeah. Anyone who's not scared though. Yeah.
So it requires bravery.
Yes. Mawuthanda izinto njengami ya ngizosho ukuthi hambo zami ubone. Not only not serious. Yeah. Mawuzazi ukuthi shem inkinga zakho zingakuphathisa, take then don't go.
So when they finally done with the mirror, abasabone lutho, it's back to being a normal mirror. Does it end there? Because I remember you said that even Pumada, they'll still see things when they get home. Please take us through that.
Yeah. So because isibuko besesiphelile esibukweni, even if they close their eyes basazobona. Even if they go to emgruveni basazobona izinto, but weske lapho-ke bazobona iy'poki because iy'poki zihamba ebusuku. Isibuko can take up to 2-3 days max ukuthi iphume kahle egazini. So mawulele kusayisibuko, all the things you are seeing, it's still the mirror. If you're just sitting, closing your eyes, it's still the mirror. Just because sikuvalekile la, it doesn't mean ukuthi hayi sengiqedile sesiphelile isibuko.
I saw things for 2 days. I was dizzy for 2 days, blurry vision for 2 days, heavy eyes for 2 days.
It was the case. Bengisawa nokulala, like that Saturday, like I struggled to sleep because benginalento ukuthi yo ngi-1. So mangizobona lezi zinto ngi-1 or ngokeke asithi manje lezi zinto ziyangihambisa yabona. So it was a lot. I struggled to sleep jam. I struggled, but it continued ngenkathi ngilele. Officially ngavuka because bengizwa ama-footstep ejardini nanani ngivule ngiround ngithi yo after ekuseni sengiyathi ngithi bathi what if abantu bebangitholile la ngiwile or something bengithembeni. I didn't ask into ngithi hayibo azi bengivukile ebusuku ngirounda nazo zonke lezi zinto and bengizizwa. It was the case. Bengisawa nokulala, like that Saturday, like I struggled to sleep because benginalento ukuthi yo ngi-1. So mangizobona lezi zinto ngi-1 or ngokeke asithi manje lezi zinto ziyangihambisa yabona. So it was a lot. I struggled to sleep jam. I struggled, but it continued ngenkathi ngilele. Officially ngavuka because bengizwa ama-footstep ejardini nanani ngivule ngiround ngithi yo after ekuseni sengiyathi ngithi bathi what if abantu bebangitholile la ngiwile or something bengithembeni. I didn't ask into ngithi hayibo azi bengivukile ebusuku ngirounda nazo zonke lezi zinto and bengizizwa.